55 and beyond. Beyond the noise barrier. Beyond all competition and comparison. Into a new dimension of power-hushed driving and riding thrills. New valve-in-head blue flame 6s that approach the flowing quiet of a V8. And Chevrolet Turbo Fire, V8 quietness beyond compare. Performance and economy beyond compare, reaching almost unbelievable heights. Behind Chevrolet's new Turbo Fire V8 in every one of its 3 new power teams. In the new conventional power team, Turbo Fire delivers gasoline economy never thought possible for a high horsepower V8, along with sizzling performance. Watch this. From a standing start, to 80 miles an hour in just 23 7/10 seconds. How's that for acceleration? With super smooth power glide, Turbo Fire delivers equivalent performance and economy with a new smoothness and silence that's hard to believe. And teamed with Chevrolet's new touchdown overdrive, Turbo Fire delivers a double bonus of both performance and economy that will take your breath away. Out on the track, up on the wall, round and round for 1 hour. And the distance traveled, 101 miles. Important, not for the track, but for the safest, most thrilling highway travel of your life. And its performance with the double bonus of great fuel economy. How great? Well, at highway speeds of 50 miles an hour, you can travel 24 miles on 1 gallon. And even when you open up to 70 miles an hour, you'll get the spectacular mileage of 19.5 miles per gallon. But we've all been expecting great things from our new valve-in-head V8. So the greatest thrill may be behind Chevrolet's 2 new 6s. With the new Blue Flame 123 in the conventional power team for the Thrift Fire, there is spirited performance. Performance that is proved by outstanding acceleration in every driving situation. In city driving, there's acceleration from 10 to 35 miles an hour in just 11.8 seconds. And on the highway, you can rush from 20 miles an hour to 60 in only 19.7 seconds. That's real performance. And with this performance is penny-pinching economy under every condition. Then for the man who wants the most of both performance and economy with 6 cylinders, the new Blue Flame 123 with touchdown overdrive